Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, My Simple Remedies. You may think that there are items in your household that'll never get clean, but trust me when I say, where there's a will, there's a way, and it won't require a lot of money out of your pocket. Stains on the bottoms of pots and pans are stubborn, but easy to remove with this simple remedy of crushed up eggshells, soap, and water. Vigorously scrub the stained spots. In no time, your pots and pans will be spick and span. Stains on iron surfaces aren't just hard to remove, but can also end up on light-colored clothing. All you need to do to get rid of the stain is to set it to maximum heat with the steam function turned off. Cover a heat-resistant surface with salt and gently run your iron over the surface. Sweep away any residue to reveal an iron that looks good as new, just like you can see here. Water can easily cause lime buildup on your shower head, making it look dirty or rusty. Simply begin by covering the affected area with dishwasher detergent. Next, pour apple cider vinegar onto the surface of the shower head. Allow it to set for up to 10 minutes. Next, take a dampened cloth or towel and wipe away the mixture. If you still find that there's a little bit of residue left over, pour some more apple cider vinegar over the top of the shower head, and that should get the job done. As you can see, this shower head looks good as new. Coffee and tea can cause stubborn stains to appear on your favorite mugs, but they're surprisingly easy to remove. Begin by adding a little bit of dishwasher detergent and salt. Add warm water and gently scrub the stains away. Your favorite mug, tea, or coffee cup will look as great as it did the day you got it. You might think that candle wax is impossible to remove. Prepare to be amazed. All you need for this remedy is a half a cup of apple cider vinegar and a half a cup of olive oil in a bowl. As you can see here, I just applied it directly to the tabletop. Dip a towel into the mixture and gently sweep the wax away. The table's totally clean. Last but not least, I'm going to show you a simple way to polish up your silverware. Pour hot water into a bowl and add a large quantity of salt. Allow your silverware to set in the salt solution for 1 hour before rinsing with clean water. Once you're done, your silverware will look good as new. I hope all of these affordable and easy tips and tricks to clean up stubborn messes around your home were helpful. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and hit that little bell to make sure that you're notified anytime I upload a video. Also, be sure to give this video a like and share it with your friends. Thanks so much for watching.